Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're learning Apache Kafka and wondering what exactly is a Kafka topic, you're in the right place. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible, with real-life examples and zero jargon. A Kafka topic is like a named channel or folder where data is published and stored, a place where producers send messages and consumers go to read them. In other words, it's Kafka's way of organizing and delivering data. Imagine you're running an online store. Every time a customer places an order, your system sends an order event. That event is published to a Kafka topic called orders. Now here's the cool part. Multiple services, like inventory, shipping, and notifications, can all subscribe to that topic and act on the event. Each one gets the message, without affecting the others. That's event-driven magic. What happens inside a topic? Each topic in Kafka is split into smaller units called partitions. Partitions let Kafka handle massive volumes of data by distributing it across servers, making it fast, scalable, and reliable. Can I reread messages? Yes. One awesome thing about Kafka Topics: messages are stored for a configurable amount of time, even after they've been read. That means you can replay events, debug your services, or process the same data in different ways, anytime you want. And that's a Kafka topic. Simple, powerful, and the heartbeat of event streaming. Got it? Great. If this helped, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want us to explain Kafka partitions next. Let's quickly recap. A Kafka topic is a category for messages. Producers publish messages to it. Consumers read messages from it. It supports parallel processing via partitions. Data is stored and can be reread later. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a byte.